Hi, my name is Diego. Water pollution. Water is one of the most abundant natural elements on the planet Earth. It is also highly responsible for the possibility of development of different forms of life, plants, animals, and humans. The organisms of a living beings are composite of water in a high proportion, beyond that this is what make of the muscles, organs, and different tissues. For this reason, without water life is not possible. What is? Water pollution is any chemical, physical, or biological change in water quality that has a damaging effect in anything living that consumes that water. When humans drink contaminated water, they often have health problems. The causes. The many causes that have caused water pollution. Let's see what they are. Industrial waste. Industry is one of the many factors that cause water pollution. Unfortunately, thousands of companies are still unaware of the proper use they made of the resource and dump quantities of polluting products derived from their industry. Process, rivers, and channels are the most affected by this bad practice. Industrial use of the pesticide in agriculture. The vast majority of agricultural process of our time of fertilizers and chemicals for cultivation and food production. While these products are filtered through underground channels that in most cases in of the water networks that will follow consumption. This water will hardly be treated. The return in the channels are they are subliminal for consumption. All spills. Finally, we cannot forget a practice that has traditionally caused water pollution in various parts of the planet. All all these plants and their derivates, the discharges are due to the proper transportation of oil and the filtration of products such as gasoline, which is generally stored in the ground tanks. In many cases, the tanks are leaking. The consequence: why the extensive pollution of water of alkyls, seas, oceans, and rivers, both marine animals and birds that feed on this water are left floating on the surface dead. However, the consequences become more noticeable with respect to marine animals since there are fish, crabs, and dolphins, which are often seen dead on the water, given that the contamination of the water is intense that it ends up damaging completely the ecosystems of your personal habitat. Types of water pollution: underground contamination, and plasticals and chemicals associated with the soil are launched by groundwater absorbing into the soil and the contamination groundwater. Microbial contamination. In developing countries, people drink raw water directly from the river, stream, or other source. Sometimes there is natural contamination caused by microorganisms such as of virus, bacteria, and protozoa. This natural contamination is likely to cause serious lines for people, death of fish and other species. Suspend mother contamination. Not all chemicals dissolve. Easily in water, these are called picturing maritime types of substance can harm and even kill aquatic organisms. Solutions. Solution of water pollution. Here are some possible solutions to the problem of water pollution. 1. Plant trees on the banks of river lakes. A river, as general right, should have a considerable strip of native forest and wood sites to avoid erosion and preserve its natural depth, lake use, and the banks of the rivers. The tree fulfill the important mission of conserving the water, flora and fauna that make of natural ecosystem. 2. Proper of products by industries. Pollution prevention includes practice that reduce of the hazardous materials to the protect natural resource. In turn, another preventing measure would be the change of the product, including modification in the composition to the rise, the volume, and toxicity of the residues during their life cycle. In this way, we make care and protect ecosystems and the environment in general. Here are some possible solutions of the problem of water pollution. Reduction of the use of chemical production in plantations to replace the use of products harmful of the environment. There are various products the biological origins that contribute to the control of pests in an efficient and healthy way, such as biostimulants, biopesticides, and bioluminescents. The former are absolute of biological origin that promotes the development of plants and improve their metabolism.